So this is going to be a complete and honest review of Vidnoz. I'm going to be showing you guys how you could be making all of these AI videos and AI avatars. So stick around till the end of this video, and also make sure you click the first link in the description in order to follow all these steps. Now let's jump into the dashboard. As you can see, this is the dashboard. And the first thing I really like about this is that it has got a very clean interface, and that's something I like. And also the first thing I would like to show you is the AI tools over here, and you get a lot of features over here. And one thing I really don't like about Vidnoz AI is that it has got a lot of features. So it's not like specific about 2 to 3 features. They have all these features. So if it were me, I would have preferred a software that was focusing on 3 main features and really specializing on it. But here you get all of these features like AI photo avatar, AI video translator, you get AI image to video, you get a URL to video, you get AI video enhancer, then export avatar only, AI text to video, you get AI lip sync, and also you get like an AI dancing photo. Basically you just give the photo and the photo will start dancing. So that's something you could be doing with the AI tools, and this is like one of the main features. You can go for it. And most of the reason why people actually buy Vidnoz AI is because of its avatar. It has got like thousands of avatars, and that's one of the reasons why people actually buy Vidnoz AI. So if you actually scroll down and see all of this, you can see that it has got a lot of avatars over here. And in order to select it, you just have to just select it and just see how
AI
it is.
brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So that was one avatar. It looks good. Let's see this
Vidnoz
one.
AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So that was good. Let me just see something else. Maybe let's look at Edward.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So the thing is that some of these AI avatars, and especially if you look at the voice, it's going to be a bit AI-ish, and people would really understand that it's AI. But if you look at some other AI voices or AI avatars, it's going to look much professional as well. But it really depends on your choice. If you want just AI related voice, you can just go for it. But I wouldn't really prefer the AI voice. I would always suggest the human voice over the AI voice. And you could also add a human voice to the AI avatar as well. So you don't have to worry about that as well. Let's go with this person over here.
Vidnoz
And you
AI
just
brings
have
your
to
idea to
go with-
high-quality videos.
You just have to go with any of it, maybe landscape, maybe portrait or Instagram. If you wanted landscape, you can just click on it. So this is the video editor that we have got on Vidnoz AI. And also at any time, if you want to change the avatar, you can change it in the editor as well. So you have got all these avatars. Maybe you want a photo avatar or motion avatar, or maybe product avatar or anything like that. You can go for that. And yes, you could be adding text, you could be adding shapes, you could be adding background stickers and videos, images. So you could be doing a lot of stuff with this editor. It's very straightforward. And the thing you have to keep in mind is this one over here. So this is like the speech to text. So you have got all of these AI voices, and in case if you like anyone, you can just go ahead and select it. And the cool thing is that they have got voices from 11 labs also, but you have to actually pay for it. It's in the pro version. So in case if you like the 11 labs, which is one of the best AI voices out there, and if you like it, you can go with the pro version. Maybe let's go with
Vidnoz
this
AI
guy.
brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So the thing is that this is very AI-ish, but if you actually look at some of the 11 Labs one. It sounds very good. Let's just listen to this one.
Vidnoz AI brings your idea to high-quality videos with AI avatars and voiceovers in minutes.
So we can definitely see a clear difference between the free version and the paid version. So this is really good. So for the sake of the video, maybe let's just go with
Vidnoz
this
AI
guy over
brings
here.
your idea to high quality. Vidnoz AI.
And let's just scroll down and let's click on OK. So we have got our voice set up, and you have this conversation in which two people would do the conversation. You could be doing that, and you can just type in your script over here and you can make the AI do it. And also you could be uploading your voice, especially if you're someone who doesn't like the free AI voices. You could upload your own voice. I would always suggest it's way better if a human voice is involved, because most social media platform can easily identify an AI voice. So you can upload an AI voice, or you could also record your voice from here. So that's something you could be doing. And if you want to just get a preview for this, so there is already a script that is given by Vidnoz, and you can go ahead and preview it over here. In the preview, they don't really do the lip sync. It's when you actually generate the content, it's going to be showing you. But let's just see the preview.
Welcome to Vidnoz. Get started by typing your script and generating your video.
In case anyone is actually interested in the lip sync, let me just go ahead and generate it. And so as you can see, our video has been generated. So let's have a look.
Welcome to Vidnoz. Get started by typing your script and generating your video.
So the video and the lip sync was really good. The only thing I didn't like is about the AI voice. And again, if you're in the paid version, that problem would have gone, or maybe you could be using your own human voice as well. And again, you can download it over here, and you can also share it if you want. So all your videos that you're making is going to be coming under my creation. So you can go with that. And we have discussed all the AI tools and the avatars. So now that we have covered with this, I also would like to show you one of the AI tools called the URL to video. So suppose you have a website, or maybe you have a training program. All you need to do is just upload your URL, just paste in your URL, and you can generate a video based on that URL. Maybe it's a training program for some fitness. You can just upload it and you can generate video. So there are some video demos I would like to show you. So you can see it over here.
Ever wondered how to slay this summer? Meet the summer sundress for women, your new go-to for instant vibes. This graphic mini tank dress is perfect for beach days or as a casual sundress. Crafted with a comfy blend of 60% cotton, 35%.
So as you can see, you could be making videos with the URLs or the websites you have. And now let's just talk about the pricing over here. And the free version, you get it like 15 seconds per day, which is not going to be very useful. And the starter plan over here, you get up to 15 minutes per month. It's going to cost you $19. Now let me see if we can, in case if it is like 10 minutes per month, it's going to cost you $13 per month. And most people would want a lot of time. So I think 30 minutes would be something people would actually go with. And I really don't like the fact that Vidnoz is actually expensive. But if you're someone who doesn't really care about the money, you can definitely go with it. And in case if you're looking for a more economic way to make all of these AI avatars, I would like to suggest you another software over here. It's called HeyGen. So this is like much cheaper than Vidnoz over there. So if you actually look at the pricing plans, it's way cheaper. So here, if you look at the pay monthly, you get unlimited videos, and you get videos up to 30 minutes, and it's $29 per month. which is actually way cheaper, I would say. And Vidnoz is actually expensive if you actually look at it. So if you're looking for a more economic way, you can go with HeyGen. Otherwise, you could go with Vidnoz, because Vidnoz is offering a lot of features, especially the free AI tools. You can see there is an AI talking photo, AI text to video. You get a kissing video generator, you get online recorder, you get text to speech, audio to text. So there are a lot of features you get in Vidnoz for free as well. So it really depends on what you want. If you don't really care about the money, you can go with Vidnoz, or you could be going with HeyGen. And for the voiceovers, you can always go to 11 Labs if you want, and you can basically upload to Vidnoz. So yeah, so that's basically it for this video of Vidnoz. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review, and I'm really hoping to see you on another review video. Take care.